What is good, guys? We are back. We're going fishing in the creek. So hope y'all enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe. Here we go. All right, we're here. We're gonna catch one. Oh wow, small creek chub. Very small creek chub. Y'all can see it looks kind of like a shad or bass. Still got our bait, and there it comes off right there. Here we go. Oh, plain hook. We got this one on a plain hook. No bait. Nice bluegill for a creek. There we go. Got a nice creek chub. Some creek chubs have horns, but that one doesn't have horns. He has nothing horns on his head. A nice one. Got a brim. There we go. Still got a worm left, y'all, so I'm gonna have to change it. Still got our bait, y'all. After the mighty tree. Another little creek chub. Earlier today we caught a bass. I wish I could have had that on camera, but didn't get it, so. That was a little bluegill, but came off before we could get him. Nice bluegill. Oh, nice brim. Wow, it's a fatty patty. Oh yeah, nice old fatty. Another creek chub. Let me show y'all now. See, that one doesn't have horns on him. They would have little bumps right there if they had horns. Sorry, the things are hard to hold. And make sure to like and subscribe. There's a little bass right there. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope y'all are enjoying the video. There he goes. Need new bait. Okay, I got my worm here, and all I do is just put it right through there, right through there, and right through there, and then tear it in half, because you don't need all the worm for these creek chubs and bluegill, because they'll bite pretty much any size. So, here we go again. Got a little tiny brim or sunfish or whatever y'all guys call it, or bluegill. We call it brim here in North Carolina. So nice creek chub. There it goes. This is a very small bluegill. Another little bluegill. And another little bluegill. The reason we call them bluegills is because there's blue on his gills. That's what you call falling in love. Crawfish.